Hi, Scott from Aristocob again. It was bound to happen. I've been smoking this great Missouri Meerschaum gentleman pipe for, I don't know, about 9 months or so. It's been my daily pipe. I like it a lot, and it has finally reached the point where it's due to be retired. And why? Well, if you take a look here, you'll see that corncob pipes begin to swell over time. And that's because corn cobs and wood are what are called hydroscopic. Hydroscopic meaning that they take on and give off water. Now you can see here's a brand new gentleman side by side with the one that I've been smoking for a while, and look at how much larger this one has become. Little splits in the side, and in fact, just tonight for this little demonstration, I've added a little bit of glue in order to keep that stem on. Okay, so I've pulled the plastic bit off of the pipe, and also the little metal ferrule. I don't need those encountering what we're about to do, and that is we're going to cut this pipe in half on my bandsaw, and we're going to see what the inside of a very used corn cob pipe looks like. Do not try this at home. So let's take a look at what's going on inside here. And there we have the inside of a Missouri Meerschaum corncob pipe. I don't know, looks better than I thought. Got a few more destructive things I'd like to do, but that's it for this tape.
Business hours are over, baby.